Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about the best crypto coin you can invest right now, and especially if you are a beginner. Crypto market currently not in extreme height nor in the panic state, and this is what we called it as a building or the accumulation phase. So how the beginner should think in this market? So right now the smart beginners are not just chasing the fast moving coin, they focus on a coin that already survived multiple market cycle. Second, should the coin should have the real users and the demand in the market. And third is the coin should likely exist in 5 to 10 years from now. So these are the three major criteria while selecting any coin. So first best cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the foundation of all the cryptocurrency institution, governments, and the long-term investors still treat the Bitcoin as a digital gold. At present, the Bitcoin price is 70,642. Market is little down for Bitcoin, but this is the right time for you to purchase this cryptocurrency. And for the beginners, Bitcoin is one of the lowest risk entry cryptocurrency. So this is the number one in our list. Now the second best cryptocurrency in our list is Ethereum. So Ethereum powers the smart contract, DeFi, NFTs, and the Web3, and the most crypto applications still depend on the Ethereum in some ways, and the beginner who wants growth plus utility often prefers Ethereum. So Ethereum is on second list, and this is one of also the best coin in a cryptocurrency market. And the current price of the Ethereum is 2,110, and 2,110 is the current price of Ethereum. So you should also consider the Ethereum in your portfolio. And the third best cryptocurrency in our list is Solana. And Solana is popular because it's fast, cheap, and many new apps and the games are built on Solana. And it is slightly more risky than the BTC or the Ethereum, but offers the higher growth potential, and this is also one of the best cryptocurrency you can select in your portfolio. And the current price of the Solana is $88.9, and this is also one of the best coin in the crypto market. And fourth and the last best cryptocurrency in our list is Binance, which is used inside the Binance ecosystem. Current price of Binance you'll see is $641.61, and as long as the Binance remain as one of the largest crypto exchange platform, BNB will stay relevant, and this is also one of the best cryptocurrency in the market. Now there is a quick suggestion for the people, those who are beginner and now ready to invest in the crypto market. The first major point is you need to remember is don't do investment in a single coin. Do a diversified investment in the multiple cryptocurrencies. And second point is always avoid the unknown pump coins. Every day the multiple coins are coming in the market, so please avoid investing in those coins. Third important point is always start with a small amount. Don't invest a bigger amount at the initial stage. And the fourth and the last point is always think with the long-term perspective. Don't think that tonight you are going to invest the cryptocurrency and you are going to get multiple dollar with those investment. So always think with the long-term perspective, at least 6 month or 1 year goal. You should plan for that. Accordingly, you do the investment. These are the couple of points you should always remember while you're investing in the cryptocurrency. Now you must be thinking that whichever cryptocurrency I explained you today, which are the best platform you should select to purchase this cryptocurrency. So according to me, Binance is number one cryptocurrency exchange in the world. You should select Binance for purchasing any cryptocurrency, and I have given a link in the description below. You can go to that link and register yourself in the Binance, and you can purchase the cryptocurrency which I suggested you today. And if you face any problem while registering in the Binance, do mention on the comment box below, and I'll respond to you within 24 hours. And I hope you like today's content, and if you really like the content, please don't forget to subscribe and like our channel, and thank you for watching.